Okay, what we're going to be doing today is scrapping one pop machine that I pretty much stripped down to just the shell. So what we're going to see today is how much we can get from scrapping one pop vending machine. Still recording, right?
Yes.
Okay. Just make sure you're aware if it stops.
Little mommy says, "Why como vas?" Hello?
What was that?
Little mommy says, "Why como vas?" Hello?
Oh, don't worry about that. You know what? Let's take this one. This is the pop machine that we'll be scrapping today.
Okay.
Compressor's already taken out, and the look acceptor's been taken out. The really just what's left are the motors, buttons. Queen mech was taken out, so it's fairly stripped, but not completely. So my estimate is that these machines are normally around 500 to 600 pounds. Lately, scraps been pretty low, so if we're lucky, we'll get 20 bucks, but we'll see. Probably good to do this, Jay. Don't worry, I don't need any help.
Are you being sarcastic? Okay, so you want me to stop recording?
No, you're fine. Just keep going. I want to have enough footage to edit out if I, want to. Having extra, I'm not. Just make sure it's still recording.
Okay.
So, that timer, you'll be able to see it. And don't worry about any phone calls or anything. It's the setup I have at the moment, so I'm just gonna have to. Whew. Love moving these when it's cold. I'm tired. Best thing to do. Be hired as our new cameraman. The damage is probably works, so I don't want to damage it. I stepped on it. Alright. Dolly. So don't focus in this area because it's dirty. Here's the dolly we use. Heavy duty dolly. follow me on a little, just until I need your help here. Coming up.
Okay, I'm
What?
gonna press stop.
Okay. How come?
Well, there's nobody else to hold the.
Well, you keep
hold.
going. I'm not ready yet.
Okay.
So, see, I'll show you this machine when I get it ready to scrap. I'll usually, what I've always done before is take these motors off, but I have so many, it's not worth it, not worth my time. The main components I've taken out already are the compressor, the bill changer, which was right here, and the queen mech, which will go in this location right here. So, Jay and I will pause the video, and Jay and I are going to lift this in here and get going. You can pause it now, Jay.